Welcome to Poker Face. The game is simple. In front of us, there will be 5 items of food. Now, usually 4 are nice and 1 is not. However, this time, thanks to your comments, we're reversing it. Now, 4 of them will be tampered with to create an intense bodily reaction, but will look the same as the single nice dish. We'll pick at random, taste, and try our best to keep a poker face. We'll then vote on who we think has the nice dish. Let's do this.
Hello everyone, and I think I speak for everyone sat around this table when I say from the bottom of our hearts, thanks for nothing.
This is because of you and your comments on the last Poker Face that this is going to happen.
We're doing a séance.
Round 1. Spring coals.
As in spring rolls. Very
rolls.
good.
Spring coals.
Coals, C-O-A-L-S.
Let me guess,
As in-
charcoal based?
Got to be, right?
Right, should we tuck in?
You must know which way you actually stack this one, or did you just kind of like...
That's why I stacked them and they're spinning.
I don't think I should pick one. I think you'll go first. We need to make...
Oh, okay, fine. I'll always go last.
I think you pick the last. He
He'll
did play that. You do know.
Okay, so Kush always takes whichever one's
I
left.
I have tried every single one as well.
Okay, cool.
Beforehand. So
Good.
I've done it all already.
Yeah.
I've completed it.
I've completed it, mate.
Poker face, completed it, mate.
Yeah.
All right, so the 4 of us grab one and Kush has what's left.
Yeah. Always.
Cheers.
All in?
Sloppy fifths.
Oh, you gone there? Okay, here.
Guys, messy.
There's garnish everywhere.
Garnish. Right then.
It's
Subtle-
really
subtle caper,
dense,
like that.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Cheers.
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 Whilst one of these spring rolls contains a delicious duck filling, 4 of these are spring coals, filled with burnt onions and 5 spice with smoked tofu and activated charcoal.
It's the first one.
We can't show teeth.
Yeah, no smiling.
Well, Jamie's gone.
Don't show any teeth.
We can't show your teeth.
Are we going to scribble something down?
I've killed them out.
Is everyone playing along at home?
So who had the nice one?
Who got a nice one?
To guess
Who
who
had the nice
one?
one? That was delicious.
Thanks, Chris.
Ah, pleasure. Who are we starting with?
Should we start with you?
Start with me?
Or can we start from Barry? Go.
It was me.
Oh, what? I voted Ben.
I voted me.
I voted Barry.
I voted Kush.
How bad was your duck one?
Mine was really nice.
Are you
You mad?
colourblind as well as...
It tasted really nice.
Did not.
It did not!
So bitter and acrid.
Look at that!
Not just the colour of it, but it was so bitter
No.
and acrid.
Mine was really nice.
No, it wasn't!
It was.
You've only got 3 working senses. Hang on, can you feel this?
Feel what?
Kush got duck.
Mine was an actual duck roll. Yours is burnt tofu, burnt onions, burnt garlic, burnt oil, burnt
It was
honey,
acrid.
It was
and
pretty
burnt
vile.
five spice.
You're mad!
I would happily finish it.
Really?
I didn't finish it because I was trying to bluff.
Because he likes smoked meat so much, and he does it so
He just
badly.
tastes charcoal.
He likes that.
Wow.
Kush and Baz get a point.
Yes!
Nicely done.
Okay.
Right.
Round 2. Jay.
Jamie, what we got?
Probably something delicious. I don't...
Looking forward to this one.
Oh no.
No. Go on, just say it.
What do you mean, Kush?
We have Anus Bouche.
As opposed to amuse-bouche.
An anus-bouche.
An anus-bouche.
What what type? That doesn't really matter. But
This
what
can
type
also-
of anus?
Only can be rectum.
Well, unless of course it's beaver, and then it might be vanilla-y.
Oh yeah.
That's a good point.
An anus-bouche, that's fantastic. Oh dear. Oh dear. Ready?
Oh no, I'm
one
not
each.
ready.
Everyone
I don't
in.
want to do it. I don't want to do it.
I'll go last again.
They're so dense.
Very dense.
There's
Like a
dense anus inside.
When did these get so big again?
What, the anuses?
They used to be little canapes.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers. Cheers.
Next is an amuse-bouche in the form of a delicious tortilla, surrounded by anus-bouches made from duck intestines and tripe.
Coconut.
So chewy.
It won't go.
I'm chewing through one bit of ring. Or am I?
What's the good one?
It's the same thing without the anus. I put sweet corn in it because that comes out always.
What?
So basically, when you said it's intestine and tripe, it's basically like lower colon.
As close as possible.
I feel like there was a missing. You could have put a colon on the clue.
Anus colon bouche. That would have been a...
Anus colon bouche.
What do you need? Bucket.
Oh, Barry, stop!
No, Barry, no!
Barry.
Yummy.
This could be a very good bluff.
It could be a good bluff. God, this is hard.
This is a challenging one.
I thought it was really nice.
It's all about texture. It's all about texture. It's so chewy.
Okay.
Same way round?
Yep.
Oh, me first again?
Yeah.
It was me.
Are you kidding? How have you done that?
You're picking, I'm taking what's left.
That's true.
Let's not do it that way round next time.
Did that really badly.
I tried one of these when I made it and I did what you did.
Yep.
So
It's the texture is so chewy.
Did anybody else get Kush?
I thought it was Jamie.
Mike.
I thought it was Mike.
I thought it was Ben because you were loving it.
It was chewy and it was kind of urinal. It was urinal. More than fecal. More than fecal. It was urinal for me. It was like dog food.
I like it. You qualified it by saying because you were loving it.
has anyone got a
Very
bit?
chewy.
Want to rip one open?
Can we get any close-ups inside of what? Yeah, it's cartilagey almost.
Yeah, the duck intestines.
Ebbs is going back for more.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Gosh.
I thought it'd be rounder.
Because it's got a hole in it.
It's been blended.
Yeah, it's only a
It's like
duck.
chewy spaghetti.
Why are you still eating it?
He loves it.
Food waste.
Attention all Sidekick users! This is what you have on the menu this week. If you'd like to give Sidekick a go, you can grab your free recipe with a 30-day free trial.
Right.
Would you like round 3?
Yes, please, Ebbers.
Do you want me to go first this time?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so.
you go
Oh
first.
no. Salt Nay.
Oh no.
As in Salt Bay, I would presume.
As in nay, Scottish for no.
Yeah.
Well, whatever it is, it's very salty.
Go on, Kush. Take one.
Cheers.
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 To good health. Or. Come on, Ben.
Oh, don't look at that.
Whilst one of these mushrooms has been seasoned to perfection, the rest have been pummeled with salt.
I have to be honest, before he said mushroom, I looked down and panicked. It looked a bit testicly, didn't it?
It's delicious.
I wish I had some more liquid.
Bluff or double bluff? Here's the question.
Oh, Jamie, here you go.
No.
He's thinking about his blood pressure, isn't he? How bad? How are you guys doing at home? Comment below. Have you got any of them right yet? You doing better than us?
You just put Kush for every round?
No.
If you've got this again.
Should we go?
Yeah.
Right. I think it was Barry.
I think it was Ben.
I thought it was Mike.
I thought it was Ben.
I thought it was Mike.
Oh, you love me.
The heart helps. Yeah.
You did react straight
Honestly,
away.
before I worked out what it was, I bit into it. I looked down. I thought it was a testicle or something. And then when he said mushroom, I was like, "Oh, panic over." And then I was seeking for the salt, and it wasn't there.
Do you want to try a bit
No.
with salt?
So, there's a salt crystals crunching through.
Yeah, and when you swallow it, it literally burns.
It's like seawater.
your
I'm
throat.
surprised you-
It's like when you get tumbled
swallow.
with the surfing.
It was awful.
Oh, I boiled the mushrooms in salt. As in, put them in a pan with loads of salt and just cooked them until they released their own juices and soaked it back up. And then I made batter with salt and flour and fried them.
Wow.
Insult.
Saltiest things up.
That is invasive.
Tasted.
That was not being swallowed.
It does not.
No,
I thought I originally had you down.
Did you?
And I was thinking that's the greatest bluff ever. But then,
No.
No.
He went sensible and
yeah, you were being sensible. Right.
Well, fortunately, I'll take a point for that.
Ready for my round?
Number 4.
This is Cheeky Tuesday, spelt how I would actually say Tuesday.
With a CH.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
So something is
Chew.
really chewy.
Oh no, it's not when we. This was so hard when we overcooked that meat last time, and it was impossible to swallow.
Are we going in?
Yep.
Right.
Oh, it's a bit wet.
all in.
No!
Oh no.
It might give it away, but right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
These gold-wrapped delights aren't all tender and delicious fillet steak, as 4 of them have been switched with ox cheek, a notoriously tough cut due to it being one of the most worked muscles.
Who's fake chewing? I'm getting jaw rake.
Mike. Now you know.
It's still going.
Just can't get rid of it.
You had half of it as well.
Yeah.
You,
Smash mine.
middle name Nasher.
Better than
Okay.
Okay.
I know who it wasn't.
Push, go for it.
Yeah. I think it was Jay because he laughed so quickly.
I also think it was Jay because he pretended to chew for a while.
I think it was me, but
Yeah.
I'm also now not 100% convinced after my first round. You know when you pretend to chew for so long that you
forget.
you forget whether
Whether
you're
you're chewing.
pretending to chew or actually chewing.
I feel like you'd know.
Yeah.
You definitely
I said
would know.
Mike on the basis it was an absolute over-the-top bluff.
He wasn't.
He really was struggling.
I couldn't get rid of it.
I said Ben because you picked it up and said it was wet. Mine wasn't.
Mine was damp on the bottom.
Yeah, they're all damp.
Really? Okay, cool.
I couldn't even chew a piece off.
Yeah. Different.
Oh, yeah, mate.
Different gravy.
Butter.
Try
Cheers.
it.
No,
No,
No, I don't want to
Come
try
on,
that.
just
Why
try,
don't I
try
it.
it?
Because,
Try
you
it.
know, for
Try
a
it.
new experience.
Try it.
Just a nibble of the. Don't worry about my end. You can take one off the.
Off the back.
No, I want to lick it from your end.
Okay, lick it from mine. Well,
That's different from what I had.
I thought you were laughing because you knew that you had the good one and you knew it was really bad for us.
So Kush, you got a point.
Mike got another point.
I got a point. Jamie got a point. So 3, 2, 1, 1, 1.
With one more round in hand.
Ah, everything to play for.
Let's play.
Yep.
We're nearly there, boys. Nearly there.
Last round.
Last round.
Almost all still to play for join
Barry,
first.
Do you want to lift the cloth this time?
Yes, I will.
Yeah. This one is ravioli.
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 Ravioli, but 4 of them aren't cooked.
Oh, Kush.
Oh,
They're quite
Kush
big
looks
on a
worried.
spoon.
There you go.
Are we going all in?
yours.
Have to go all in.
You have to
Okay.
go
All
Have to
in.
go all in.
Okay. I'm really worried.
Cheers.
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 Quite a lot of
Cheers.
Ravioli, an Italian classic made from filled fresh pasta. In one case, with a filling of delicious whipped ricotta. But ravioli is a new creation, the same concept, but packed with raw garlic.
I'll tap out.
I'm literally seeing stars.
What is that? That's chemicals.
Why are they all bad?
No, someone's bluffing.
Someone's bluffing. No! Liquid makes it worse. It's burning my
I can literally
skin.
see stars in my eyes.
Oh my god! It touched my mouth and burnt it like 3-degree burns.
I've never seen you go that shade of colour.
Oh my gosh!
I'm confused at who didn't have it.
I know. I was too busy having an absolute flap to look at anyone else. Oh,
Didn't have
those guys at home have have the best overall picture.
because they can rewind and watch it again.
Yeah, I think
I can't do that.
Rewind it, watch it again. 'cause
I wasn't watching.
I was panicking. I was dealing my own dramas.
Lock in an answer, I guess.
That was one of the worst we've ever had for sensation.
We all breathe out a lot. The camera crew will, get the smell.
The whole room is tainted.
Do you have any more? Because I think everyone should experience that.
I've got more. I made quite a few earlier.
Kush, who do you think it was?
I think it was Ben.
I think it was Jamie.
It's a me!
Your acting was so bad.
So bad.
So bad.
I think I saw you go,
We all spat it out and he was like, oh, me too.
Well done for you. I didn't get that. I went Kush.
You went Jamie as well.
On the same
I
round,
went-
it was
I
a
went
late,
Jamie, yeah.
a late evacuation.
I went Jamie.
I thought I could hold it. I threw it into my cheek.
Yeah, and I thought by being a late evacuation, I thought it was an afterthought. It was like everyone else now has, I have to.
No.
That was obviously the worst one that we've done today, and therefore seeing how visceral all of your reactions were.
You want to try one?
I had to catch up.
Yeah.
I had to catch up.
Oh, I mean, good creations, terrible experience.
yeah.
Do you want to...
Oh, I would love to.
You'll like
it's
that.
fine.
It says like a Caesar dressing.
I don't understand what the problem is.
Okay.
Tell you what, mix that with a
Pop the
little
rest
bit.
in then.
Mix that with a bit of charcoal
Go on,
tofu.
pop the rest in.
I'm not putting. Why would I put the rest in?
Do it.
That's what we do.
To the viewers.
Do it.
Do it. More.
All of it, all of it, all of it, all of it, all of it.
Come on.
Whilst Jamie chews through that, comment down below. Did you spot it was Jamie? And how many of the 5 rounds did you get right? Vile.
Get rid of it.
Right, I've got 3 more here, boys.
Yeah.
Girls.
Who's doing it?